You didn't plan to lose big, you planned to lose small. One trade went wrong, then another, and somewhere in there, a quiet switch flipped, and you stopped trading your plan and started trying to win the money back. By the end of a day, a small loss has eventually turned out into the worst days of your months. You knew you should stop, you just couldn't. Welcome to Strike Money. Today's video is about that one rule that will save you from these days, and it's called the daily loss limit. It's simple, it's boring, and it will protect your account and you more than any strategy you'll ever learn. First, let me tell you why you couldn't stop the day. Because once you understand this, the rule makes total sense. In the earlier videos, we tried to learn about why these things happen, right? Why eventually the emotional mind takes over your thinking mind, why the logical mind stops working out, is because the fear-based mindset, the outcome-based mindset takes control over you and you eventually end up committing those trading mistakes. This particular rule that we just spoke about, that the daily loss limit, will try to be as a fence in your brain, which if you follow, will try to help you to be calmed into the trading environment. So this daily loss limit, you can either break it into the losses per trades, or eventually it can be just the daily loss limit of the day. So for example, the traditional methods say about 1% a day or 1% a trade kind of a loss. They kind of keep this kind of rules. So you have to understand what is that comfortable situation for yourself before you start to take trades. So in your plans, whatever you do, you have to realize that the money that you are supposed to lose shouldn't affect your mental well-being. In a sense, imagine you have a torn pocket in your jeans and you have plenty of money in that. So for example, you have a 500 rupees note, you have a 100 rupees note, you have a 50 rupees note and a 20 rupees note. Just imagine yourself, if you lose a 500 rupees note, you will feel really bothered. You will feel so hatred towards yourself. You will start to feel why I had to lose the 500 rupees, why wasn't I more careful about my money that I have in my pocket. So you would be very much into that self-question mode and into self-hatred kind of mode if you lose that 500 rupees note. But if you just lose 5 rupee coin or 10 rupees note, you won't be that much affected. You would feel, okay, fine, I'll just be careful next time. This is what this ideology, you will have to bring it into your trading environment and in your trading strategy. Now, just imagine a situation wherein any which ways, this is the rule that you are supposed to take. First of all, if you're going through any of these bad disciplinary trading attitudes, this particular rule is just one of the rules that are gonna be there. There are gonna be multiple rules and plenty of rules, complex, simple rules, and these are just gonna be one of those simple rules. So this particular rule will eventually help you. So we spoke about how this one particular rule is going to try to help you being calmed into that uncertainty and that fear-based mindset that you will have. And this particular rule will try to help you out when you have to really stop. Because the emotional version of you is the one making decisions after a bad run, and you cannot trust him. He will tell you one more trade, he will tell you this one will fix it. And this is the same voice that drives the revenge trading at the first place. If you leave the decision to stop in his hand, he will never stop. He'll continue it until the money is completely gone and the account is completely bone. So if we take that decision away from him, that's all a daily loss limit is. It's a decision you make in the morning while you're in a calm state of mind, and a line you draw before the pain even starts. You decide, if I lose this much today, I'm done, no matter what. When you hit that line, you close the platform and literally just walk away. No exceptions, no just one more trade. The trading day is completely over. So for example, you have set yourself a rule that only one trade I can lose, 1% of trade that I can lose. Then it's all your liberty that you can just break that 1% into 4 trades. You can break that 1% into 2 trades or 3 trades. But the moment that is hit, you have to train yourself to follow that. I understand what happens is, when you hit that particular limit, stopping will feel wrong. It will feel like giving up. Every part of you will scream that, but the market is right there, I can still fix it. Listen to me, that feeling is not wisdom. That feeling is literally the hijack. This is exactly the emotional voice we don't trust. The fact that this stopping feels so hard is the proof that you really need this rule right now. So change how you see it. So this daily loss limit is not a punishment. It's literally protection. And great traders, the smartest traders, really know when they have to stop, and they are really able to stop. They are able to control their minds in a way that their minds will not be into that hijack mode, and they will be eventually taking their own trading decisions as per their trading plan. So if you have set 4 trades in a day, 0.25% of loss per single trade, that is 1% of daily loss limit. Once that is hit, you have to shut the system off, and you have to just close thinking about any of the other trades that your mind will try to create. So at start you will really feel very difficult to follow this, but that is how in the last video we spoke about how you have to really follow the steps, how you have to really see yourself, observe yourself following your rules. You have to see yourself and observe yourself following your set of rules, and this is just one of the rules. There could be multiple different kind of rules that are going to come up, but this is just one of the rules that you really have to learn practicing in the present moment of trading environment. It would be really difficult for you to just wake up and just close the system off and not really watch markets. This is going to be really difficult at start, but you have to really practice following this one particular rule out of so many a number of rules that we are going to talk about in future videos. One thing I would also like to talk about, that a losing day is completely normal. Understand one thing, a calendar just runs. There's gonna be day is gonna go, other day is gonna come. So this present moment is literally like a stream of river, right? So you have to pick up the fish. If you fail to pick the fishes up, then it's just a bad day. It's not a bad month, or it's just not something that you have to really, feel bad about it. The daily loss limit is the wall that keeps a bad day from becoming a disaster. Is the one rule that makes sure that you have enough money to trade tomorrow. So I hope you understood how this set of rules are eventually going to help you analyze, introspect, and how you have to become an observer of your own actions while you're following these particular set of rules. This was just one of the rules that we just spoke about, the daily loss limit. Break it down into number of trades, practice following this particular rule into your demo accounts, and just see how you transition or how you evolve from an outcome based mindset to a more probabilistic mode of mindset. So that's all for today. In the next videos, we'll speak about more such important and interesting rules that you will have to eventually follow if you have to really be a trader. That's it for today. Thank you very much.
Before we wrap up, here are some important disclosures. This video is prepared by India Charts Data Analytics Private Limited, SEBI registered research analyst, registration number INH 23630. BSE enlistment number is 6784. This content is for educational purposes only and must not be used as a singular basis for any investment decisions. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. The securities mentioned in this video are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. AI tools have been used in preparation of this content. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Registration granted by SEBI, enlistment of BSc and certification from NISM in no way guarantees performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Thank you for watching.